What's up, MoneyLion? I'm Brandon Copeland, aka Professor Cope. I've played in the NFL for nearly a decade, and I'm also a money expert. I'm here to answer your questions because when it comes to money, there are no stupid questions. Mazzy Roars asks, what's a surefire way to make passive income? Thanks for your question, Mazzy Roars. I wish I had a guaranteed way to make passive income for you, but if I did, I wouldn't be standing here shooting this for you right now. Just kidding, just kidding. Passive income is basically an income stream that's on the side. It's usually automatic, and that's why we call it passive. It requires minimum effort. It's like when you have Pat Mahomes on your fantasy football team. You set him and you forget him. And as always, I'm not giving you financial advice, but one way to earn some extra income is to invest in stocks that offer dividends. A dividend is a payment you receive from a company when you invest in them. Think of it like a thank you card. Some companies want to show their appreciation and thank you for investing in them by sharing their profits with you as an investor. They want to give you an incentive to stay invested in them. Dividends are usually paid out quarterly, but can also be paid semi-annually or annually. And it's important to know, not all companies do this. It's usually older, more established companies that have a lot of cash on hand. Dividends are just one way to earn passive income, but there are so many other ways out there. Make sure you do your own research, consult with a professional, and find what works for you. Thanks for the great question, Mazzy Roars, and stay tuned to MoneyLion for more money content.